me again. This is another short tool video because I like tools. This one was actually got a real story to it. I ordered this on Fleabay, and the seller sold it for like, I don't know, $7. But he messaged me later and says, "Do you want a refund? Because I didn't realize the item, the vice grip, it's a vintage Peterson 7W. But here's the problem. He said it was in his garage, and it may have rusted a little. So it's got a little rust on it. See? It's a little rusty. So why did I say I'll take it? He said he'd refund me for it. Or he says if I want it, he'll refund me for the vice grip and just take the shipping. So you know what? I could have rust this thing. I don't think that's original, but it's, you know, definitely good for hanging vice grips up. Kind of like the Milwaukee one has a little round thing like that? I'm not sure. Is it that? Yeah, Milwaukee has the little hooky thing. But yeah, it's got a nice patina on it, see? It's the new brown vice grips, but you can tell they're the old ones because they don't have the little release. Do I have a lot of these? No. I don't think I have any of these 7Ws, old ones. But I bought it was cheap. It was, let me put this down here so I can fling the thing on. It was cheap. It was available, and it wasn't rusty in the picture. It was this color, not this color. So I got it for, I think it was $3.95 or $4 shipping. I paid the shipping, not the price of the tool. So there it is. One rusty fish in the sea. Oh, what I should try is if I get that plating machine. If I get the chemicals from Caswell Plating, I should try put this in there and plate the whole thing. I don't know what the hell color would you plate it? Try to get some gold plated ones, yeah. Or maybe I'll, what do you call it? I'll derust it, clean it out, and then I'll go buy some gun blue and make it a black pair of vice grips. It's pretty cool though. It's got an old one. I thought it looked cool in the picture. I mean, it did before. It had all rust all over it. Now it's like kind of camouflaging the rust pile. So I don't know how that happened. See, there's a line like right here, or something was probably on top. Like, or is it just this the most susceptible part to rust? Has the little patent date on it, 1942, patent number or whatever. There's a little patent date right on. It's usually right over here, right on this spot. You can see the Peterson DeWitt part came out really nice because it rusted in there and it didn't. The letters stayed black, which is kind of cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and get your hands rusty. Thanks for watching.